Smart telescopes revolutionize stargazing with automated tracking, app integration, and hassle-free setup. Equipped with advanced sensors and motorized mounts, these telescopes locate celestial objects instantly, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best smart telescopes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Vaonis Vespera Pro redefines astrophotography with cutting-edge technology and seamless automation. Equipped with the ultra-sensitive Sony IMX676 Starvis 2 sensor, it captures deep space details with remarkable clarity, even in low-light conditions. Covalence, Vaonis's exclusive panoramic imaging technology, stitches multiple frames together in real time, delivering breathtaking celestial landscapes with ease. Designed for precision, its premium quality optics include a newly developed field corrector, ensuring the full potential of the larger sensor is utilized. Every detail in the night sky is rendered with crisp accuracy, eliminating distortions for professional-grade results. The Pro version enhances the experience further by unlocking Expert Mode in the Singularity app, granting advanced control over imaging settings for seasoned astronomers and photography enthusiasts. Automatic dark calibration refines every shot by subtracting calibration frames without manual input, streamlining the observation process and reducing image noise. For those seeking a compact, budget-friendly smart telescope, the ZWO SeeStar S50 stands out as a fantastic choice. Its lightweight design, ease of use, and impressive functionality make it a great companion for beginner astronomers and on-the-go stargazers. Equipped with a 2-inch 50mm apochromatic triplet refractor and a 250mm focal length at f5, this telescope balances clarity and portability. The 2-megapixel resolution captures sharp celestial images, while the alta-zenith mount ensures smooth tracking. With a 6,000 mAh battery, extended observation sessions are possible without frequent recharges. The entire kit weighs just 19.8 pounds, making it easy to carry in its included case. At approximately $499, the SeeStar S50 offers smart features like auto-alignment and intuitive app control, making stargazing effortless. Whether capturing deep sky wonders with long exposure imaging or exploring the sun with its solar capabilities, this telescope delivers impressive versatility. Its carbon fiber tripod adds durability while maintaining a lightweight feel, and its compact size allows it to fit in a backpack for hiking trips. Currently undergoing review, early impressions highlight its exceptional portability and user-friendly design. Vaonis Vespera 2 is a major leap forward, delivering the highest resolution of any smart telescope in its class. The 8.3-megapixel resolution, a significant upgrade from the original's 2 megapixels, produces stunning deep space images with remarkable detail. Vaonis's live mosaic capture further enhances this by creating breathtaking 24-megapixel images, making it the best choice for resolution. This computerized go-to alta-zenith refractor telescope features a 2-inch 50mm aperture, a 250mm focal length, and an f5 focal ratio, ensuring sharp and vibrant images. Advanced autofocus and real-time image stacking eliminate distortions and enhance clarity. The extra-low dispersion glass minimizes chromatic aberration, and raw image saving allows post-processing for the best possible results. Best for larger budgets, the Unistellar EVscope 2 is a sleek, intelligent astronomical instrument designed with astrophotographers in mind. With a 4.5-inch, 114mm reflector aperture and a fast f4 focal ratio, it captures deep sky objects with impressive clarity. The motorized go-to alt-azimuth mount ensures precise tracking, while the 7.7-megapixel sensor delivers sharp images rivaling specialized astrocams. Every detail of this telescope has been carefully crafted, from its minimalist aesthetic to its high-quality Nikon eyepiece, which adds a traditional touch. However, the rubberized surround can attract dust and fibers. Weighing 19.8 pounds, including the tripod, it remains portable for field use, and its 9-hour battery life allows extended stargazing sessions. Despite its user-friendly setup and app-based operation, its $5,000 price tag may deter beginners. But for those with the budget, it's one of the best smart telescopes available. The intuitive app interface simplifies navigation, making celestial exploration accessible with just a tap. The Explorer mode identifies visible objects based on date and time, eliminating guesswork. While image lag can occur, the experience remains immersive. Unistellar Equinox 2 is a top-tier smart telescope that simplifies stargazing with an intuitive smartphone app. Featuring a Newtonian reflector design, it boasts a 4.49-inch 114mm aperture, 450mm focal length, and f4 focal ratio, delivering impressive 400 times digital magnification. The motorized Go-To alt-azimuth mount and 11-hour battery life make it a reliable choice for backyard astronomy or field excursions. With a 6.2 megapixel resolution and an extensive database of 37 million stars and over 5,000 celestial objects, users can easily explore deep sky wonders. Its minimalist single-button design ensures ease of use, making it ideal for beginners. The well-organized app streamlines navigation, telescope control, and community engagement. One standout feature is smart light pollution reduction, allowing urban observers to capture sharp images even under city lights. Stunning views of galaxies like M51 and M82 highlight its capabilities, though lunar observations are less impressive. Portability is decent, but investing in the dedicated backpack is advisable for easier transport. The only minor drawback is its requirement for full darkness before orientation, which may affect early setup plans. Despite this, the Equinox 2 excels in dark sky environments, offering an unmatched user-friendly experience for astronomy enthusiasts. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.